in example 14, we have to prove that cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. So we can solve it either by solving LHS to bring it equal to RHS, or we can solve RHS to bring it equal to LHS, or we can solve both the parts until they become equal. So here I will use LHS to prove it equal to RHS. You may solve it from this side to this side also. So our left hand side is cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A. Now, as I told you that solving any trigonometric identity in terms of sine and cos is always easy. So we will convert cot in terms of sine and cos. So cot A can be written as cos A upon sine A. As we already know that sine A upon cos A is equal to tan A. So cos A upon sine A will be reciprocal. It is cot A. So cot A we have written as cos A upon sine A minus cos A upon, in denominator also, cos A upon sine A plus cos A. Now from this numerator part and from denominator part also, if we take out common cos A, so after taking common cos A from this two, we get 1 upon sine A minus 1 upon, again cos A is common, 1 upon sine A plus 1, because cos A has been removed common. So this both cancels. Now we know that 1 upon sine A is cosec A, as cosec A is reciprocal of sine A and sine A is reciprocal of cosec A. So 1 upon sine A is equal to cosec A minus 1 upon, again 1 upon sine A is equal to cosec A plus 1. So you can see here, this is our RHS part. So in this way we get the relation proved. Left hand side is equal to right hand side.